Good morning. I'm reacting to the news about potential further closures and lockdowns for the hospitality industry. As many of you may know, Duncan and I have a business relish publications that we founded in 2009. We've published 32 books with hospitality and chefs in the UK over the past 11 years. So you are an industry, the chefs are they have a place close in my heart, and I just want to offer something, and I hope it's of interest. So you might notice here my little yellow mug. This is from a client. It arrived in the post yesterday because I gave her the strength to make changes to her life, both personally and professionally, and that's what I want to give to you at no cost. So there's a couple of options. I'm a coach, a business coach, certified as a corporate leadership coach and as a personal performance coach. Been doing it since 2015, but I'm now in this very fortunate position to be able to facilitate and support you. What I do is look at your strengths, use profiling. There's an element of science. We use various coaching tools, but then it isn't just about your personal side, it's looking at your business as well and strategies to move forward, and aligning it with your values. So it's not woo-woo. I'm very results driven and goals driven, and I'm in this fortunate position of being able to offer 12 hours fully funded coaching to businesses in certain areas of the northeast of England and definitely in Northumberland. So if you want to give me a message, just DM me. Also, I'll happily be a critical friend, 100% confidential, obviously. If anybody in hospitality just needs a good chat, and I'll be able to listen, challenge, ask you questions to try and help you see things or facilitate you to see things from a different perspective, through a different lens, so that you can move forward. So I hope this makes sense. Just send me a direct message if you'd like to have a chat on the phone to find out more. And this is an appropriate t-shirt for today and for the times that hospitality are going through. Be a tough cookie. And a little cup of positivity here that I'd like to share with you. So take good care and give me a shout. Thank you.